you have a junk drawer in your house? Yes, you do. We all do. I'm Maru with Remax Oasis Dream Homes, and I want to give you 5 ways for doing that. First one, getting into that junk drawer can be overwhelming. So divide the junk drawer into 4 sections and start cleaning that way. That way you're not overwhelmed by everything that you're seeing in there. Take it section by section. The second thing is get rid of what you don't need in there. So whether you donate it, you sell it, whatever it is, do it responsibly. Know that you really don't need it. And don't keep what you know you're just hoarding. Okay? So the third thing is, why not give everybody their junk drawer or their junk section in the house? Whoever is living in the house, let them keep or let them be responsible for their own junk. You do not have to be responsible for theirs. The fourth thing is put frequently used items to the front of the drawer. So you know you're not going to have to be digging to the back and rumbling through stuff and just making it totally disorganized again. Keep the things you need up front, matches, whatever it may be, birthday candles if you have birthdays every week. So keep those things to the front. And the last but not least, edit your drawer realistically. Look at what you need. Is it that you need stuff on a daily basis? And generally that's what your junk drawer should be, things that you're using most frequently. If you need it once a month, once a year, it does not belong in there. So edit that drawer realistically. Know what you want it to look like. Know the sections that you're going to make in that drawer. And you will be a success with a functional junk drawer. Who knows, you may not even call it a junk drawer after that. But that's 5 tips for you with your junk drawer. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to reach out. I'm Maru with Remax Oasis Dream Homes. And don't forget, if you're serious about real estate, we're serious about you. Bye for now.